You are losing connection with nature. Our bodies are made for jumping, pursuing, and barefoot walking.
That's right. What is she doing? Hey! Try this. Flip-flops with natural pebbles that massage your feet.
I have never heard about this before.
That's why I'm here, to educate you about the fun, fashionable, and very healthy way of walking. For everyone else who is not so lucky to meet me and get your free pair, you can find your own and get your own on Zakistar website. Come with me on our walking journey.